Okay, let's discuss one more type in profit loss. In question number 9, a shopkeeper marks his goods at 25% above the cost price and gives 15% discount. That means whatever was the marked price, what the shopkeeper has done, he has marked the cost price. He marked the price of the article 25% above the cost price. That is, at the price which he has purchased the article, he marked the price 25% above the cost price, and then he give the 15% discount. Then we have to see what he will be having, whether the gain or the loss. So what I will do, I will assume let CP is equals to rupees 100. Since two percentages were there and no numerical value was there in terms of rupees, only percentages were there, so I have assumed CP is equals to 100. Now what is given? Marked price is CP plus 25% above means 25% of CP. Okay, so this will be the marked price. So let's calculate 100 plus 25% of 100. So when you solve it, what you will get? 100 plus 25, that is rupees 125. So this will be the marked price. Now I got the marked price, discount is there, that is 15%. So marked price is there, discount is there. What we need to calculate, either gain or loss. So first we will calculate selling price. So selling price is 100 minus D%, the formula that we have used in the many questions, into marked price. So when you use the formula, you will get selling price is equals to 100 minus 15 upon 100 into 125, or 85 upon 100 into 125. So when you solve, you will get 106 rupees 25 paisa. So this will be the selling price. Now you can see very clearly, as SP is greater than CP, that means we will calculate profit percent, and that will be equal to SP minus CP upon CP into 100. So 106.25 minus 100 upon 100 into 100. So answer is 6.25%. Okay, so in this question, what is given? It is given that CP marked price is 25% above CP. So I have assumed CP as 100. I have calculated the marked price CP plus 25% of CP. So this is what I got. Now discount was there and marked price was there. So I have calculated the selling price using the given discount percent and marked price. Then after getting the selling price, I have compared selling price with cost price. Since selling price was greater than the cost price, so definitely it is the profit. So again, I have calculated the profit percentage by using the formulas that we have used previously. Okay, so this is it. The remaining questions in this exercise we will discuss in the next video on Saturday. For now, thank you, and you try to solve your questions, the remaining questions, and then if there is any doubt, you can ask or message me on my number. Thank you.